Welcome back to the channel. It's about 8 a.m., just at 8 a.m. and running into a ton of awesome cars on the freeway all around us. We're going to be heading to Elite Finishes San Diego Cars and Coffee. It should be a ton of fun. Oh, alright, here we go, pulling out the freeway, and there's a Mach 1. I've been seeing one of those in a long time. We'll try to catch up to them. Made it to Elite Finish, the best PPF and wrap shop around down here south. Yeah, more and more wide-bodied crazy C8 builds, as you can see way up there. I mean, this line, we're here an hour early, and it's already like this. Run, run, get the video content. SV, and then a convertible, a Spider, a 600 LT. Full Alcantara interior, just like us. This is the official launch color for the 600 LT. It looks basically orange, the flakes, and when you back up, it makes the whole car have like different shades of like gray. Major fan of it. But let's go catch up with the rest of the cars here. And check this out, Ford Mustang Mach 1. Such a cool car. I've been seeing more and more of these lately. And this is the actual track version, which is good to see because the first one's coming out didn't actually have this track package on it, and it gives you the same spoiler as the GT500s and the GT350s. Also, the gurney flap extra lip on the end with this metallic matte finish, almost kind of like the carbon flash of Corvettes. Really cool car, and this one has the automatic. Wow, the automatic! I forgot you get this car with the automatic. It's got the larger exhaust pipe, so it's got many features from the GT350 and the GT500s, but these performance wheels are pretty epic looking, and it has 315s out back, the same width wheel and tire basically as the 760 horsepower GT500. So the grip that you have is pretty astonishing. A ton of grip to put down the 480 horsepower. So that's the interesting thing. It's got tons more aero, right? It's got larger front brakes, similar to the GT350, right? But the backs are relatively stock to a Mustang GT performance package, it looks like. I'm not sure if you guys saw online, Car and Driver recently did their lightning lap test at VIR. And what blew my mind was that the Mach 1 actually got a faster lap time than my old Shelby GT350R. And I'm like kind of thinking, how can that be the case? Because the 350 had more power, right? It had larger brakes, more aero, and carbon fiber wheels. It weighed less too. But that entire topic just blows my mind. Well, what do you guys think? Why do you think the Mach 1 is faster? I know it's a new technology. I always thought like the tier system kind of went Mustang, then the Mustang GT, and then Mach 1, GT350, then GT500, but it's really interesting. I do want to dive deep into that to see if, like, do you think lap times really matter? Like, can you compare lap times equally? If laps are done on different dates, the factors could be different. I don't know. I really want to ask, what do you think in the comment section down below? I know the forums are blowing up regarding this, that the new Mach 1 is faster, and I'm in shock too. On a track like VIR, that's got long straightaways, and the 350 has like, what, 40 more horsepower, 46 more horsepower? So it's very, very shocking, but they could have had an automatic equipped vehicle, and that can help with the lap times for sure. The Mach 1 is 0.4 seconds faster than the R. That means the Mach 1 is faster than a Shelby GT350 non-R? What? If you haven't seen the official Car and Driver lightning lap, go check it out because it is very interesting the way that this car came together on the racetrack. I personally wouldn't have expected it to do so like this, simply because the GT350R has the carbon wheels, the extra rigidity, the lighter weight to it, and then imagining the Mach 1, which shares more with the Mustang GT than the Shelby. It surprises me. You have to realize one thing, conditions for each hot lap can change dramatically. For example, from my experience, first thing in the morning versus the middle of the day or end of the day at a racetrack, you could lose 1, 2, maybe even 3 seconds off your lap time. Conditions mean absolutely everything. I don't think the Mach 1 would be faster than the Shelby GT350R, and I'm not trying to take anything against it, especially since this track has a high-speed straightaway, having 46 less horsepower than the Shelby GT350R, and even less downforce. It honestly makes me wonder, what is the point of the carbon fiber wheels, and the massive aero, and the high revving nature of the GT350, if it can't beat a Mustang GT with a track package on it? Because you gotta realize the body kit of the Mach 1 is essentially a Mustang GT, but you have a new front fascia and some new valence pieces from the back. It doesn't have a massive wide body up front, for example. So what are your thoughts on that? Please let me know in the comment section down below. Here's the deal. I think that with the general trend of how products are going these days, the latest car is essentially the best car, right? You hear that same quote from Shelby all the time, how his favorite car is the next one. I would honestly love to put this to the test, so I'm going to try to do that. I want to try to get access to a GT350R and then a Mach 1 and go lap after lap to see which one is faster. I'm putting my eggs in the GT350 basket for now because I used to own that car. My driving experience in the Mach 1 is relatively short. I did enjoy driving it. One major advantage the Mach 1 does have versus the GT350 is that it's got a feature where you don't have to let off the upshift. You can just slam the car into the next gear with the Tremec 6-speed manual transmission and it'll lock in and go. That'll save you maybe a fraction of a second on each upshift. Pretty cool technology if you ask me.
And then here we have another GT500 track pack. This one has all the exposed carbon fiber, just like our good friend Joe Gatt, who's in the process of selling his. So if you're interested in getting a 500 with all the upgraded carbon fiber accessories, reach out to him. You'll find him on Instagram.
Anyways, thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure to hit that like button. It really does help me out. Also subscribe for much more great content coming out your way. I'll see all of you in the next episode.